I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication on your PlayStation network is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation network account using your console or web browser. This is the first step to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Management section and find Security. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on this and follow the prompts to start the setup process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be asked to select how you want to receive your verification codes, either via an authentication app or SMS. Choose the method that works best for you. Quick gotcha: if you choose the authentication app, make sure to download one like Google Authenticator beforehand. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your method, you will receive a verification code. Enter it to confirm your choice, then save the changes to complete this setup. Now your PlayStation Network account is more secure. Enjoy your gaming with peace of mind knowing your account is protected.